Good Sunday morning, everyone. Thank you for using Click2Houston.com to check on your weather for this Sunday. Starting out on the cool side, we said yesterday that you would be sleeping through most of the rain activity that would come through with the front, and that's what has happened. 63 degrees now throughout the area. I don't know if you remember, but yesterday this time of the morning we were at 79, so a big cool down. We'll show you more about that in a second. Galveston at 68. Storms have moved off the coast. The major storms that we were expecting last night did not develop, but we do have storm activity that has moved off the coast. And this afternoon, we'll start to see more clearing, and we'll see sun. Will be breezy as well throughout the afternoon. Then Monday, sunshine, and we'll be in the mid-80s. It's going to be pretty nice. Here's Exact Track Radar looking at what's going on here. Very strong storms continuing. Louisiana going up into Arkansas, parts of Mississippi, into the Missouri area where they've had a lot of rain. One part of Missouri, 9 inches of rain yesterday. But the big story for us has been what's going on in the middle of our state as we see these storms continuing to be impacting the Dallas-Fort Worth area. This upper level feature over the Four Corners area continues to churn. It's creating that. We'll see that eject off to the east here today. But what happened yesterday, get this set back on the last 12 hours. Yesterday afternoon, storms starting to develop in the Dallas-Fort Worth area. Watch over here just to the east of Dallas. Big area of storms popping up. 2 tornadoes, 5 people killed, along with that line off to the east of it, a stronger line to the east of us that developed as we thought it would, and it did. It just did not develop into our area. The severe line in terms of what was going to be happening did develop down into the Gulf. We missed it. We did have a front that came through there. It wasn't severe, and that's the good news. We have an area over our area in the upper levels that is a warmer layer of air, which is called the cap. Typically, and we can see that through our area we've had some showers that have come off the coast of Galveston, and then in the middle of the Houston area not much going on at all. Now to the west, where the riders in the BPMS 150 have been riding, LaGrange area, they were dealing with some thunderstorms this morning that came through there, and we expect that after that passes through, and then we'll see the any kind of storm activity really be diminished quite a bit. They can get back on the road and head toward Austin this afternoon. Those storms will be out of there as that all ejects off to the east. So as they get up and get ready to get onto the road, expect those temperatures to be nice and cool in the upper 50s starting out at 8 o'clock, 66 by noon, fewer clouds, a lot more sun, 4 o'clock, 74 degrees. You notice those winds out of the west-northwest, so they'll be going into the wind. 10 to 15 miles an hour will be the winds. Look at the temperature differences starting out this morning. 18 degrees cooler today. Yesterday was a sauna. We don't have that. We've got cooler, we've got drier conditions throughout the morning. Those temperatures in the 60s, and that's very refreshing with those winds now out of the northwest as opposed to the ones that we had yesterday that were out of the south and southeast that really were pumping in a lot of moisture. We still now are more brisk as well. Yesterday 17, 18 miles an hour from the southeast. Now we have it from the northwest, 17 and 18 miles an hour on Bush and Galveston and those areas. So over the next day or so, we're going to watch this front that slid off to our east. This area, you see the rotation there, the upper level low, snowstorms in the Four Corners area. You know, we're close to May. May's tomorrow, and we're getting snowstorms going on here in the upper Midwest. Look at this rotation. The water vapor loop, put that in motion. That's what's really causing that. Really cold air coming on the backside of that, and that's also what's impacting the movement of this storm that's been bothering most of the area that we've been dealing with. These purples, that's the really high levels of moisture in the upper levels of the atmosphere, and that's really cranking on out. And that's why we had all of that rain. There's record-setting rains and very, very strong storms in those areas, backing down all the way into the Houston area, just to the east of the Houston area, but not impacting us, and that's pretty good. So the Futurecast model put this in motion from today going into tomorrow. We have sunny and breezy, cooler conditions for us today. This upper level low will continue to move on off, and that'll move all of that off to the east coast. They'll be warm ahead of it and cooler on the backside of it like we are. And for us today, the Futurecast model here, one of them, really is overdone, as you can see, because this is not existing for us. But I put that in anyway just to show you that it goes pretty quickly and dries things out going forward. Today's highs, 76 to 77 to 78 degrees, depending on where you are. 76 to 78 degrees for highs. Normal high is 83 degrees, or the record high is 83 degrees. And so we will have those temperatures on the warm side throughout the day. Or I'm sorry, the normal high is 83. We'll be short of that today, which is kind of nice for a change. 76, mid-70s for your highs. The rain chances really just go away as we get out of the morning hours. So that morning rain chance, that's about it, up to about 78. Then Monday and Tuesday, those temperatures go up again. Then Wednesday, chance for severe weather once again. But look at that. The rest of the end of the week, nice cool temperatures. once again. Enjoy.